Hello and welcome. This is Sarah Rocca. I am a fine art self-portrait photographer, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how I took this image and went from this to this in just a few edits. So the idea for this was the lonely bench, and it was a faceless figure sitting on a bench, and I knew I had access to this location. This is actually close to where I live. So I, saw this bench and saw these elements, and I thought this would be a great place to shoot. The one thing that it didn't have going for it, obviously, is it's at a parking lot. There's all these distracting elements. If you look on the right, you look down here, there's boxes on the wall, electrical outlets, things like that. So I have that all around me. I also live in South Florida, and it is extremely hot here this time of year. So I am shooting very, very early morning. And so when you're looking at your location, you also have to think of things like, what's the sun going to be like? What's the shadow going to be like? And I know that as the sun rises, half this bench is in full sun and half is in shadow. And I just thought that's not going to work for my concept. So I shot this right after sunrise. So the sun is really not even up in the sky. So I am controlling my own light. And I decided to do this one with just natural light, since I am in a parking lot and didn't want to set up any lights because I didn't have an assistant with me. So the concept and the idea of this is I wanted something very soft. I wanted something ethereal. I wanted it to feel maybe a little bit haunting of this figure in this area, in a very kind of open, little atmospheric just feel to it. So that's not what this gives off, right? So my colors are really harsh. I have a wig over my face. It is very, very dark. And obviously we've got these parking lot elements in here, and nothing really seemed dreamy or ethereal in any way, shape, or form. So I needed to do a little work. So the first thing I set out to do after I shoot this is, so I shoot it wider and I crop down, and that allows me to control the composition and get the perfect composition that I want. So I did shoot it with the idea of cropping it in a little bit, and that's just one of my tricks I do. Another thing that I typically do is I get rid of distracting elements. And not everything in this is distracting, but does it take away from my story, right? So I wanted my story to be very open, a little bit haunting. So I need to get rid of the things that remind you that I am in a parking lot. So the first things I started to get rid of were these parking lot barriers here down at the bottom. And, I do leave I leave the water in here that was flowing, and you can still very much tell that this bench is in a parking lot, but you don't see any identifiable characteristics. So, getting rid of a little bit of the address on the building. So that's the first thing I did, is I just do a quick cleanup. All right, so when you do that cleanup, and I do a little more as I go through the image, but I do that cleanup, and then all I needed to do with this image is work on color. And that's it. And so I use a lot of different actions to work on color. So I started working on my color, building that kind of dreaminess in there. And the next thing I wanted to do is I add some directional lighting. So I go in and add lighting because I am shooting at a time of day where I have no lighting and I'm just relying on the natural light. And that's going to be, it is what it is. So I add in some directional lighting in there to make sure that you can see that, my light's coming from here and I've really lit up my subject. And then I just went in and added some more color to get that dreamy look. And then this very last thing was I didn't like some of the little repetition I had down here. So I just broke it up a little bit. So you can see I just break that up in that one little area where I had cloned some things out. So that is just a very basic edit for me, how I can go from a dreary, kind of boring parking lot location to a very dreamy, ethereal, haunting image. And maybe next time we'll talk a little bit about what I was thinking and what my concept was and what I wanted to get across. But this was just a very quick way for you to see if you have a location and it's boring or there's distraction, but there's just something about it that you really, really like, you can make it into whatever you need it to be without, moving things that maybe you shouldn't be moving. I certainly wasn't going to move any cement parking lot partitions, but, that's what Photoshop is for. So we can just get rid of these things and build the scene that we want to build.